Sanibonani zithandwa zami, igama Thaniyaaa, known as Thaniyaaa Entombini, and I'm going to be speaking on the theme Smart and Skilled. As an astrophysics student, I often have a lot of people assuming that I'm naturally smart. And in truth, I've always felt more confused than brilliant. And this is not just now, this was as a kid, as growing up, I've always felt more confused than brilliant. And this goes to show that true intelligence is something that you build through persistence and actively using the resources that are available to you to enhance your knowledge, to further your thinking and your skills, and your general view of things changes, and you're able to think critically, and you're able to analyze situations on your own instead of just taking in information. In essence, education teaches you to think, not to memorize. A common misconception that people have about education is that it places intelligence on marks, when in actual fact that there are so many skills that you learn that matter way more than grades. A very important skill that you eventually learn to master is critical thinking. Whether you're analyzing ubuntombi, whether you're analyzing cultural norms, whether you're analyzing law and order, whether you're analyzing elections and really anything, asking the relevant questions such as how, why, that's a sign of critical thinking, and being able to formulate your own opinions from those questions and the information that you obtain shows a higher level of thinking. And with asking good questions, you're able to obtain relevant answers and relevant information. Another very important skill that you learn is teamwork. Being able to work in a team is extremely vital, whether it's as a group project, whether it's working with a partner. It allows you to be able to build a professional relationship with the people you're working with, even if you don't necessarily like them. Another very important skill is being able to articulate yourself. What good is having all of these immense thoughts if you are unable to present them? Whether you're presenting to a group of people, whether you're just having a conversation with your friends or it's a debate, being able to articulate yourself is very important because it also teaches you to advocate for yourself and for your own opinions. As much as it may seem very difficult to build all of these skills, I want to encourage you that it is possible. Every difficult task was impossible until someone kept trying, until they mastered it, because every master was once a beginner. The fear of failure should never stop you from trying to achieve whatever you want to achieve, because fear has killed way more dreams than failure ever will. Being smart is not about never getting anything wrong. Being smart is not about sounding as if you know it all. Being smart is not about always having an answer to everything. Being smart is never refusing to stop learning. Being skilled is not about being the best at something. Being skilled is not about being a master. Being skilled is not about outshining all the rest. Being skilled is about being able to take the tools that you've learned and applying them in your own daily life. And it is your own responsibility to be smart and skilled. Thank you.